Well, we've finished erecting the steel framework of the building, and now it's time for us to get to work on the inside. But unfortunately, the floors look like this, and this is not exactly offering the kind of footing where a crew can really do a good job. So let's take a look at what it's going to take in order to get a concrete floor placed inside the new main tower. First, the concrete has to be pumped up to the floor. And just to give you a comparison, when we poured the mat foundation, the concrete had to be very dense because it has the job of holding up the whole building. On the floors, we're using a different kind of concrete, lightweight concrete. The lightweight concrete doesn't need to have the structural strength that the mat foundation has. When we poured the mat foundation, we used 10,000 cubic yards of concrete. On the floors, we're using 7,500 cubic yards. But amazingly, the difference between the two is 800,000 pounds. Using lightweight concrete is really important because every pound we add to the building adds more stress to the structure. Today we're testing right where we're placing the concrete. Sean Drouin, Special Inspector for Smith Emery, took us through the steps for inspection of this concrete. First of all, he's looking for a 4-inch slump, basically checking for water content in the concrete. Then he goes on to check for air content. And this is an important component of what makes lightweight concrete lightweight. And then finally, he's checking for unit weight and strength. These cylinders get poured and are left to cure for 7 days before they're broken, and then another set is broken after a 28-day cure. Once the concrete gets placed, the crew goes through a process called finishing, making sure the surface is smooth and free of bubbles. Wow, take a look at everything that can get done, and in no time at all, once we put a concrete floor down. We invite you to stay tuned for more updates on the new main tower project.